Good day everyone, welcome to the channel. In this one I will show you how to contact Shopify customer service. So contacting Shopify's customer service is straightforward and there are several ways to get assistance depending on your needs. Let's do this step by step. So first of all, of course, visit the Shopify Help Center. I'm already here. So on Google you can type in customer service, go to this contact us. So first method is going to be browsing the available resources, also articles and tutorials related to your issue. Of course, searching for the issue by entering the keywords related to your problem. Alright, so let's go to this help center, and in the help center you can basically type in whatever you want, for example account or something like that. Let's search for the account, and in here you can find a article to basically assist yourself. Also you can use the virtual assistant right over here on the right pane. Just type anything in this chat and you will receive assistance. If you can't find a solution, scroll down to find a contact support option right here in the bottom. Shopify will guide you to additional contact methods like live chat, email or phone support based on your needs. Alright, as you can see I've pressed it twice. Alright, as you can see I've pressed this button, contact support. Now it tells us, okay, let's connect you with a support advisor. If you can share what you're looking for here, the support advisor can assist you more quickly. And in here, now in the chat, you can type in any question you want, explain your issue or a problem, or explain any type of assistance that you require, and they will basically help you here. You can also contact Shopify via email, so you need to log into your account via the Help Center. As you can see, there's a login button right over here. Navigate to Contact Support. After signing in, click on Contact Support at the bottom of the help article or a search page. Select Email option. Choose Email from the support options and submit your issue. Be detailed in describing the problem, and support representative will follow up with you via email. You can also contact Shopify via phone. It's going to be available for Shopify Plus users. So if you're a Plus customer, you have access to priority phone support. So first of all, log into Shopify Plus dashboard. Select Contact Shopify Plus support. In your account dashboard, you can find this by looking for your number in the Plus support, and you can speak with a dedicated account manager or representative. By following any of these methods, you can reach Shopify's customer service to help you with your issues. Thank you for watching, hopefully this helps. Like and subscribe to our channel to support us, and I will see you in the next one.